Hi guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, I will explain about my daily activity. Every school day, I wake up in the morning. I wash my face and brush my teeth, and dry myself, and change my clothes. After that, I prepare to go school at 6:40. I attended school until 4:50 and go home, but that was before Corona came. But now that everything has changed, after I wake up, I make a bed and then go online and do my work until it's finished. Then I play my cell phone and play volleyball in the flat with friends. After that, I go home, then take a shower, and at night I do my work again and play cell phone games. And around 1 o'clock I am able to sleep. And every Saturday and Sunday I study English at the Sandra English course. I think it's so far. Thanks for your kind attention. Bye.